Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. Clearly I just woke up, so just excuse me. But I wanted to show you guys my U-part wig from LUVME hair. I know this video isn't sponsored, but I was so happy to do this video for you guys. A piece of paper had came with it. I didn't show it, and a wig cap came with it, but it wasn't my color, and I don't know how it looks underneath, so I didn't want to try it. But yeah, so I'm just taking the net off of the hair, and the hair was really smooth. I had no problems. It wasn't tangled. It was really soft, and I just absolutely loved it. And yeah, it looked very natural. So I already wanted to be a step ahead, and I already braid up my hair. Yes, I'm looking crazy, but it's okay because it's gonna be cute at the end. But you see that I have a leave out on my edges and at the very top, and I just made a part going around the leave out, and I made little small braids on the side so it wouldn't look so thick. And I made 3 big old braids in the back. 1, 2, 3. Wiggle, wiggle. No. But yeah. So, and then I just used bobby pins to clip my the remaining of the braid inside of the French braid. And I thought this U-part wig was really cool because it came with 3 clips, and at the very bottom it came with the clip in the back, and it came with adjustable straps, and it made it super tight. Okay, so now I'm gonna open one of the clips of the U-part wig and attach it to the middle of my head at the very top, and then you'll see me take another clip and attach it to one of the braids at the top. And I'm also going to, of course, do it to the other side. Now you'll see it's kind of bumpy, and I did kind of, mess up just a little bit, but you'll also see me go ahead and fix it. So don't think, I'm going to leave it like that, because it ain't going to look like that. No, I have to fix it, and you'll clearly be able to see that. It took me a minute to get the back straps together because I could not feel for nothing, but I ended up working it out. So I went ahead and took down my leave out so I could go ahead and get that straight. And in the box it came with a flat iron, but I just went ahead and used mine because I didn't have time to be putting too much heat on my hair in case theirs didn't work or anything, because I had already seen people struggling with the one that they gave them. And they also gave a comb, and I used mine. I didn't want to use theirs because it kind of was a little rough in my head, but I guess that's why it was free with the U part. So yeah, I just used mine, and I sped up this part because it's clear what I'm doing. I'm just running through my hair one time because I didn't want to, burn my hair or anything, because my flat iron is really good. So everything is self-explanatory. And so I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks y'all for watching. Okay, y'all, so I'm done, and I love it. I really love it. It blended with my hair pretty good, so I guess I got the right color. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's really cute. And I'm trying to be quiet because my daughter's asleep. But it's really cute. I would put some like edge control up here for these little pieces, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I just wanted to do a quick hair review. I'm sure whenever I put it back on and actually like go out somewhere, out of the house somewhere, I'll you know, do better, I guess, up here and stuff. But I wanted to pass through my hair one time because I haven't flat ironed my hair. Like it's been over a year. Like I flat ironed my hair a couple of days ago, but yeah, so it's not really tamed anymore, but it's okay because that's what these things are for, so you don't have to flat iron your whole hair, your whole head. But it's cute. And if I can find the link to this hair, I will put it down in the description, of course. And I think that I had got I think like a 16 or a 20 inch. I think don't hold me to that, but I think I'm like 5'6", 5'7", so obviously it's like bra strap length, you know. But yeah, it's cute for the most part. You know, my hair isn't silky that much anymore, but it's still cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Well guys, as y'all can see, this is my first hair review. So if y'all want more, let me know down in the comment section if y'all want more, and I will do more hair reviews because I try to do a lot of stuff with my hair now because I'm actually good at it. But yeah, so let me know if y'all want more hair reviews and stuff, and send me things that I should do. I really don't flat iron my hair. I'm really more of the natural side, on the natural side of things. So yes, if y'all want me to do that, then just let me know. I guess this is like a special occasion type of wig. But yes, let me know and I will do it for y'all. So yes, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, don't leave your girl dry, okay? So let me know, like I said, what y'all think, and if y'all want me to do more hair reviews, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, please, y'all, because I want to keep doing more videos for y'all. But like I said in my other videos, I want to see love from y'all. I want to actually see that y'all, you know, want to see me. So yeah, so just let me know. Bye, y'all.